Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'll be give you few advices and tips that how you can survive in this market and how you can make a consistent profit, and this is like a knowledge and add on to your trading setups or the knowledge. Okay, so let's get started. The tip number 1: follow the trading setup which you are confident at, or the strategy which you are confident at. So don't just follow the trading setup or the strategy which you are not confident and which you don't know. So always have a strategy that it will work for you in all the markets. So make sure you follow that only. Don't keep switching the strategies every day, so that you don't know what's gonna happen if you keep switching the strategy and you can't find a perfect strategy. Okay. And tip number 2: there is no need to trade when there is markets are trading on the news, or when it's gap up or it's gap down, or when it's out of your strategy or out of your trading setup. Okay. So many of you people will be trading on indicators and many will be trading on my strategy or anything. Okay. Like in my case, for crude oil I trade based on a formula. Okay. And I see the open price of crude oil. Sometimes it may be confusing. That time I skip it. I don't trade on that day. That's okay. I don't mind, because I'll be safe on that day without losing the money. Being in a capital with the same capital is also a gain in the market. So it's not that you have to trade daily and all. So make sure you trade only when you're confident. Okay. And when it's in your hand, and when you know confident. Okay. And one tip number 3: do not be greedy. Okay. And always make sure you hit at least 1% of the profit of your capital and exit. Well, don't be greedy on this. Never book a high profits. Okay. Sometimes it may work, but sometimes it doesn't. If you keep expecting, the market doesn't give you. Some days what happens is it just goes up and you'll be thinking, oh, the stock might go up, and you may keep waiting, it will go up, and it suddenly falls down and you make a loss. That's what happens. So don't have greed. Just book a profit at with a proper level and exit it. Okay. Don't wait for more profits. And most of the time people see that a stock keeps jumping like 100 and from 100 rupees to 102, 103, and you guys see that, and you guys think that, oh, this might go now up. You just buy it. The moment you buy it, it keeps falling down. Okay. Just don't do that. Follow a strategy. Just follow it. Just make sure you trade only 1 or maximum 2 trades per day, not more than it. Okay. And avoid the trades is saying that I just guessed it, I just blindly traded it. Don't do that. Don't blindly buy or sell a stock. Don't guess and do any trade, because trading is a skill and it's a art and it's a knowledge. It's not a gambling. So don't do gambling with this, and never do guessing trades or anything unless you're a proper trader. Okay. And beginners, just do a paper trading first. Okay. Paper trade for 1 to 2 months, and if you get a good accuracy in it, and then come with real money to trade. When you come with real money to trade, make sure you just start with 5,000 to 10,000 only. Don't put maximum investment at the first time. Once you do consistently with this 5 to 10,000 what you have, when you get the confidence on your own, then try to add a more capital. Okay. Don't put heavy capital at the first time only. And have a good money management risk. Okay. And always make sure that you have a backup capital. For example, let's think your capital is 10,000 now when you make the profit of 10,000, make sure you preserve this 10,000 as your backup capital, and then the profit what you make above this 10,000 consider as your profits. Okay. First 10,000 what you make out of it is your main backup capital, because market gives you both profit and loss, right? So you should be ready to accept the both. And once you have a backup capital, you can trade very easily, because you will be free in your mind that you have a backup capital and you can trade very easily, and you will have a less stress too, because you have a backup capital when you can put it back. Okay. So that's it. And now and market gives you both profit and loss, so make sure you avoid getting more losses and get more profits. Okay. So make sure you follow all these rules. Hope you guys have a good tradings from the next days. So thank you guys for watching. Do subscribe for more. Thank you.